What's good, YouTube? So I got another YouTube tutorial for y'all today. And today we're gonna be doing the bicep curl. So today I'm gonna give y'all an isolation bicep curl movement that I tend to do maybe once or every 2 months or something like that. It's a really good movement to really put all of the tension on the bicep head and just the bicep head alone. A lot of times, if you follow me real quick. So, a lot of times if you're just doing like a standard standing bicep curl, you might tend to get a little momentum and you start to use your shoulders or use your back a little bit. With this exercise, using just a regular incline bench that you have at your gym, you'll come over just like this. And what happens is by leaning over the bench like this and allowing just kind of your arms to hang, you're putting a lot more tension on your biceps and the gravity, but you're taking a lot of the momentum of your body rocking and all of that out of the equation. So, something simple as this, it's just a simple bicep curl. Nothing too crazy about it. Just like that. And the great thing about this exercise, again, like I said, it's just a way to really put a whole lot. You'll notice that when you do this exercise that you just feel so much more tension and activation on the bicep head. A lot of times you might see that if you're doing, regular, bicep curls, your shoulders might get a little pump, or you might feel like your back is getting a little tight. And that's just because all of those other muscles are being activated just to, stimulate your body as you're standing and curling the weight. So we're gonna add some weight to this bar and do a few sets for y'all. Maybe hard to get the bar, depending on how high you have the incline bench. And just for clarification, I have the bench at about like a 35-degree angle right now. You can do it at a 35-degree angle or a 45-degree angle. It doesn't really matter. Kind of just depends on how the bench is made, and if there's like any type of just pieces of the bench that might get in your way as you're trying to curl, so you might need to put it from a 45 to a 35-degree angle to clear whatever's down there. But again, you might need to grab the bar, take this over, get yourself like a good stable base where you're not sliding too much. And again, with this exercise and any exercise that I give y'all or that you're doing in the gym, whether it be abs, squats, really try and focus in on the muscle that you're working. So right now, I'm really concentrating on my bicep doing all the work and not my shoulders. And that's it. Simple, quick and easy, but it really activates, really gets that bicep head activated as you're doing the exercise. More than just standing up. Again, like I said, if I were to be doing this exercise, standing up like this, I'll probably tend to put my back into it a little more. Like you'll see, I'll turn around for you. Like you'll probably see just like my back tensing as I'm doing this. It's just because you're standing up, the only stable base you have is your legs, whereas with the incorporation of the incline bench, it gives you a more stable base to allow you to really focus in on that bicep head. All right, y'all, that's another tutorial in for the books. I'm I'm gonna keep them coming as much as I can for y'all. I'm gonna try and get one of these like every week or every 2 weeks. Just let me know in the comment section anything that y'all want me to go over or any tips that y'all want me to give y'all. I'm here to help y'all get fit for the summer, so let's do it together. Until next time, I'll holla at y'all.